This is a video on how to change the spark plug on a Honda fourtrax. This one happens to be a 1991. So I'm on the left side of the bike here. So what you're going to do is under here, so you got your petcock right here, just behind it, you have your spark plug wire. Just give it a little pull. Sometimes it's a little bit harder. And then all you're going to do, I've already loosened this one up, is you're just going to unscrew it counterclockwise, just like any other bolt. If it's stuck in there, like if you use your wrench, which is usually what I need to do, or your socket, if it's stuck in there, spray it with something, because if you break this off, then you're going to have to be using a tap and die to get it back out, or take it to a mechanic. So you can see how dirty this one is. I have the new one right next to it. So this is the new one right here. So all you're going to do is take and put it back. Make sure not to cross thread it. If it goes in tough, then you got it cross threaded. So just screw it down, and then you're going to want to get your wrench, which I got laying right behind me. So screw it to finger tight, and then grab your wrench. I got my wrench, take and put it on top of it, and then you're just going to tighten. You don't want to over tighten it, because you'll have a tough time getting it out next time. So just tighten it down a couple little turns. And then all you're going to do is take and put your spark plug wire back on here, just like that. And you're going to hear a little click, and that's how you change your spark plug wire.